Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore a powerful engagement tool, tagging your business on Facebook. Whether you're promoting collaborations, sharing recommendations, or simply connecting with other brands, tagging can increase your visibility. Let's dive in. Step 1, navigate to your post, log into your Facebook account, click What are you thinking? Section to create new posts. Step 2, tag a business, enter the @ symbol followed by the name of the business you want to tag. As you type, Facebook displays a drop-down list of options. Continue, we will select the correct business page from the list. Here, for example, AnHome US would be a business account. Step 3, add your caption, write your post as usual, including any relevant text or media. Your tagged business will receive a notification and appear in the post. Step 4, post your update. Click the post button to share your content. Voila! You've successfully tagged a business on Facebook. Good luck! Please like and subscribe to help us. Thank you and see you again.